Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to hide the bookmarks bar in Chrome. If you're using Google Chrome and want to remove the bookmarks bar from your view, I'll walk you through the steps in detail. This process is simple and can be done in just a few clicks. First, open your Chrome browser. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see three dots arranged vertically. Click on these three dots to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on the Settings option. This will take you to the Settings page. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Appearance. In the Appearance settings, you'll see an option labeled Show Bookmarks Bar. Next to this, there is a toggle switch. If the bookmarks bar is currently visible, the toggle will be turned on. To hide the bookmarks bar, simply click the toggle to turn it off. Once you do this, the bookmarks bar will immediately disappear from beneath the address bar. If you ever want to bring it back, you can repeat the same steps and toggle the switch back on. There is also a quicker way to hide the bookmarks bar using a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift and B on your keyboard at the same time. This will hide the bookmarks bar if it's currently visible. If you press the same keys again, it will show the bookmarks bar. If you use the bookmarks bar often, but don't want it to take up space all the time, you can choose to show it only on the New tab page. To do this, leave the bookmarks bar toggled off in the settings and then open a new tab. The bookmarks bar will appear only on this page, allowing you to access your bookmarks without it being visible all the time. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.